Good morning. My name is Ria and I'm a student of BA Political Science Honors, and my topic for presentation is political party and party system. Firstly, let us look at what is political parties. Political parties are organized groups often with common ideologies, political aims and opinions to contest elections, acquire political power and influence public policies for good life of community. They are a means through which people can speak to government and say in governance of any country. Every political party must have three key components. First, leaders, second, active members, and third, followers. There are basically a lot of functions of political party. I'll just list out some of them. Firstly, a political party contests elections by putting up candidates which are chosen by top party leaders. Secondly, every party has different policies and programs, and voters make a choice in according with the policies liked by them. It means political parties provide choice to citizens. Thirdly, political parties represent the interest of people of country or specific regions. They shape public opinion and set agenda according to them. Fourthly, political parties provide access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by government. They need to be responsive to people's need and demand. Fifthly, the executive body is formed by the people of ruling party. It works as a link between citizens, civil societies and government. Also, political parties are of different types in India. We have religious party, that is Muslim League. Secondly, we have parties on the basis of caste, that is BSP, RJD. Also, thirdly, we have parties on the basis of ideologies like left party, right party. Election Commission also classify party on as national, state and registered party. In India, we have 7 national party, 58 state party and more than 1700 registered party. Now let us look at what is party system. According to a French political scientist Maurice Duverger, party system is described by the number of parties within a political system during a given time, along with their internal structure, their ideologies, their size and alliances and types of opposition. Therefore, Duverger distinguished party system among one party, two party and multi-party system. Now we will look at the different phases of party system in India. During the first 2 decades after independence, there is a single party dominance. Indian political scientist Rajni Kothari called this era as Congress system because Congress used to won elections democratically. Other parties do take part in elections but didn't secure any majority. Then during 1967 to 1993, we see that Congress do remain the most prominent party at national level but face serious competition. Congress defeated in many states and there is a split in Congress also. Regional aspirations and sectionist movement led to emergence of regional parties like BSP, Akali Dal. So in short, there is a decline in Congress system. Then after 1993 to till now, we see that there is a coalition era. Congress is no longer a pivotal force. There is fragmentation of party at national level. The distinct feature of this era is emergence of bipolar coalition system, that is NDA and UPA. Bipolar or 2 plus party system at state level can also be seen in many states. In Karnataka, we have 2 plus party system. There is Congress versus BJP plus JDS generally in competition. Similarly, in Odisha, we see Congress versus BJP, BJD plus BJP in competition. So we can conclude that we come from single party. So now to conclude the topic, I would like to add that party system is one of the many factors of a healthy democratic process. In India, political parties played a very important role in Indian politics. Party system in India is an evolving one and it has been changing with the changing time and also giving rise to success rate of participatory democracy. Thank you. This was all about my presentation. Thank you so much.